All right. So let me get my tray of goodies over here. Move that out of the way. So I got 4 peaches. I washed them. And the recipe says just cut it in half and throw it in the food processor. But I found that mine didn't blend up totally. So I did chop it up. Just a rough chop. Doesn't have to be perfect. Yeah. So we're not pureeing this part please up. So it's obviously smaller than what it was, and we're gonna measure out a cup. We want to add these chunks into our popsicle puree, and a little bit more. We are gonna add a few things to our food processor. So we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of orange juice. It says freshly squeezed in the recipe, but you can certainly buy the store-bought stuff. The juice of 1 lemon, which is about 2 tablespoons. And so that's going in. And then we're gonna add a little bit of sugar, about a 1/4 cup. And now we're gonna puree it. The lid is going back on. Gonna straight down the side, make sure that all the friends that are hanging out on the side are joining the party here. Let's give this a little longer. So it's pretty smooth. As you can see, it looks a little bit like applesauce consistency. So now we are going to take our reserved peaches. There we go. And we're going to put those in this bowl. And we're going to add the pureed peaches to here. And now we're going to add our vanilla extract. And remember, like, extracts don't have any calories. We talk a lot about extracts during TMR and how you can add those to your shakes, and that doesn't contribute any calories. So the vanilla is about a 1/4 teaspoon. All right. Here we go. All right, we're going to give this a stir. This is a 12, it can hold 12 popsicles. Mine holds 3 ounces each. So what you should get is either 12, but 2 ounce sections, or you could get 8 3-ounce sections. The recipe is going to make about, let's see what we're doing. It's going to make 12 popsicles of 2-ounce size. If you don't like pineapple, if you have a pineapple allergy, you could use mango or you could use berries. There is a lid that has these little holes. They're little slots for the stick. And then we're just going to put the stick in here. And you could just put this in the freezer like overnight. I'm going to show you the ones that I made. With my popsicle, it's actually a silicone popsicle holder. It did come with a little brush to clean. It came with a bunch of sticks, and it also came with a ton of these bags, and they actually have a little adhesive here, so you can pull off the tape and then fold it over, and then they're all individually wrapped. So I have tons of popsicles in here that I made. And they are 39 calories for a popsicle, super tasty. And I have, if anyone's seen these, there's 2 different sizes for sticks. So let's just pretend there's a popsicle on here. You put that in there. So if you have somebody who's got a little bit of like dexterity issues, or kiddos, you know, as your popsicle melts, it collects the liquid in here, and then it has a little straw, so you can just drink the juice. So fun stuff for summer.